Welcome back, everyone. Sorry to make you wait so long. So I had to free up some space on my phone and ended up actually deleting half of the video that I had recorded. This is not the mower that's in today's video. This is one I just picked up. What you're gonna see is a John Deere 102 that I picked up for 250 bucks, which is the third episode of the $1,000 flip challenge. So it's gonna come in on me replacing the carburetor. I have the numbers right here. Stick around for that at the end of the video. It is running now. The carb fixed it. It's a little hung up. The valves need to be adjusted. My old feeler gauges weren't, the numbers had rubbed off of them. I got some new ones. And that is very loose. How loose is it? I can fit an 11 thousandths in there, and it's supposed to be at 5 thousandths. I'm gonna attempt to not have my hand in the way the whole time so you can see what I'm doing. That's the wrong one. So I'm gonna loosen this torque, and I'm gonna spin the nut righty-tighty. And you want it to just barely hold it. So we're going to hold our wrench in place. Then we're just going to tighten the star back down. And it is that easy. As you can see, we have a toe problem. If you look here, you can see the front tire is nice and straight with the back one. Here, the tire's sitting like this. Alright, so we got our toe issue fixed. If you want to see how I fixed that, be sure to check out the last video I posted. So now we're going to pull it off, detail it some more, and snap some pictures of it. Alright, just finished getting it cleaned up. So I adjusted the valves, new carb, fixed our steering issue. Paid 250 bucks for this thing. So I think with all the work, it's running great now. I think I'm gonna list it for 1,300. All right, the numbers are in. So the first one that sold was the free push mower. Sold in about 2 weeks, and we profited $100. The second one was the MTD Yardman. It sold in 2 days. I spent $100 on it, $13 of parts. Sold for $800 plus delivery. I did not add the $50 delivery into the profit. So we had a profit of $687 there. And then we bought a John Deere 102. Believe it or not, that sold in 2 hours. Bought it for $250, $28 of parts, and that sold for full asking price of $1,300 for a total profit of $1,709 in just 3 flips. So let's keep going. Here's the next one, and it is a doozy. Motor's loose. Come back for episode 4.